afternoon, everyone. I'm Leon Rose from 10th Standard D section. So I'm here to talk about some few lines about nature. Nature is the interaction between the physical surrounding around us. Nature is indeed God's precious gift to earth, and the life within it like climate, atmosphere, the sunshines, breeze, whatever you see around us, right from the moment we step out from our house, is a part of nature. Nature is indeed God's precious gift to our earth. Everything we wear, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and the house where we live is provided through nature. Nature is called Mother Nature, just like a mother. She's always nurturing us with all our needs. So every individual can do his or her bit of responsibility to save our surrounding. So how should we save our nature? We should check deforestation and take up plantation of trees at a massive rate. It will save the animals from being extinct, and it will create regular rainfall, and it will preserve soil fertility. So on high priority, I recommend everyone to take care of nature so the nature will continue to take care of us. Thank you.
Could you please tell us your topic, Bhavesh?
COVID-19.
Wow, Bhavesh, you have picked up about to tell COVID-19. Stopping the spread starts with you. Wear a mask, clean your hands, maintain a safe distance, get vaccinated. Bhavesh, go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone.